Hey, how's everyone doing today? My name is Corey Moore, aka Corey Stones, and I want to talk to you today a little bit about the crypto market dive bomb. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, 2018, and if you're involved in the crypto space or you're paying attention to the crypto world, you can clearly see that everything is bleeding out pretty bad. Everything is in the red. So taking a look at coin market cap, we've got Bitcoin way down. I mean, it's down over 15% on coin market cap. Coin market cap is the average price across all exchanges. So we're seeing Bitcoin just hovering right over $12,000. We haven't seen Bitcoin at $12,000 for a while. So when you look across the board at all the other altcoins, the big players, Ethereum down almost the same amount, almost 16%. Ripple down almost 24%. Bitcoin Cash almost down 20%. All the lower to medium size altcoins are all down big time. So I've personally taken a hit both on my Bitcoin portfolio and my altfolio. On my altfolio specifically, my total portfolio today is down by about 55%. So I wanted to take this time to make a short video to reinstill some confidence and opportunity in the market and to the people who take the time to watch this video. Number one, I will say that if you're day trading or you're trying to day trade, today is probably not the best day for day trading opportunities. But if you're like most retail investors, people like you and I, you want to basically buy and hold and you're looking for a long-term strategy, a long-term investment. Please keep in mind that everything in this video is not financial advice, and this is my personal opinion. So with that being said, you need to have a strategy that you've identified and you stick with from the beginning. You need to stay out of the FOMOing and the FUDDing that is constantly plaguing this infancy market. Crypto is a brand new market right now. Even though Bitcoin's been out for 8 years, crypto is a new market. It's not even become mainstream. The volatility is real. If you are the faint of heart, if you are super nervous and super, got a lot of anxiety about price actions going up and down, or you're betting a lot of money on this, you're probably making a bad decision. And the best thing to do is to invest a certain amount of money that you're comfortable losing and that you can afford to lose, and that the opportunity for that investment to go up astronomically by far outweighs the potential for losing it all. And if you're not taking that approach, I would caution you to reevaluate your strategy. So with all that being said, everything is red. What's going on and why is it red? I think a lot of that has to do with the Korean FUD and the Chinese FUD. So about 3 or 4 days ago, you had the Koreans coming out and saying they were going to ban cryptocurrency trading amongst all exchanges. Then they came out and said that that's not happening. That's not what they're doing. Classic FUD. What they're doing is they're requiring people who are trading to be identified. Identify the people who are on these exchanges trading these currencies, which is something Korea has always done. And for frankly, what most people should do. You need to know who is moving these funds around. And that goes back to know your customer laws and anti-money laundering laws, because really when you mask everything, you open up opportunity for malicious and illegal activity. And if we want crypto to be taken seriously and be a legitimate purchasing instrument, whether it be for goods and services or enterprise solutions, you need to legitimize it by regulating it, legitimize it by having some steps in process to make it a respectable sense of conducting business. So I think right now that's a big part of what's going on is the Korean exchanges and then of course China. Now, if you've been paying attention to the crypto space over the last year, just in general, the space, China has come out and said they're going to ban crypto like 3 or 4 times. It's kind of stupid. It's classic Chinese manipulation. They are a manipulator in everything that they do. Regardless of what you think about the country or, whatever, they manipulate everything. They manipulate their currency, they manipulate counterfeit goods and services, and they've manipulated Bitcoin. And they've manipulated crypto because, look at the projects coming out of China and look at all the technologies that they're developing. They're pretty much piggybacking on a lot of the other people's technologies that were the pioneers in the space. So classic Chinese manipulation. They're coming out once again and saying that they're going to ban crypto, right? Whatever that means. I don't even know what that means, right? So first of all, number one, China is not the only country or the only, place in the world. There's a lot of other people involving in crypto trading. And this goes back to the purpose and benefits of crypto and blockchain being decentralized and being spread out amongst everywhere, right? It's not centralized. There's no one governing country or one governing, Bitcoin or crypto building, for example. It's all decentralized. So if China decides to really ban it, okay, they're not going to take it down. They may have an effect on it, of course, but they wouldn't take it down. I don't believe China is going to ban anything. I believe that this is another classic FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, creating instability in the market and trying to drive the price one way or another. So that's my personal opinion. And I hope that you will dive in and do your own research to verify the things that I've mentioned and kind of solidify the own confidence in your own strategy. But like I said in the beginning of this video, regardless of if the altcoins or Bitcoin is way down today, oh well, it's volatile. It's up and down. If you've had a strategy on the way you're approaching your crypto investing from day one, then you should stick with that strategy. Make sure that that strategy is remaining constant, and it's okay to adapt it here and there. But if you're not willing to stick with your strategy when the market takes a dive like this, then you're probably in the wrong market, because this is extremely volatile, and it's only going to be the people who either are good at day trading or have the long-term hold skills that are really going to be able to see lucrative returns on their investments in this space. If you get caught up in the FOMO and the FUD, and you sell at lows and you bought at highs, you will lose your money every single time. So I hope that that is an eye-opening for you and another perspective on my approach for today's market update on the crypto market. If you are looking for an entry point, or you are looking to add to your positions, we haven't seen Bitcoin prices this low in a while. I personally think if it's at this point, we may see it go a little lower before it rebounds up. I don't know where that floor would be, but if you're looking for entry points or you're looking to add to your position, then these numbers are not bad points. Remember, guys, 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin was at, or three weeks ago, Bitcoin was at 19.5. Okay, so there's a lot of opportunity here for rebound and growth, and you need to stick with your strategy. So don't let the FUD get to you. Take your emotions out and think clearly about this. Don't buy somebody else's trash at the high, and don't, sell at the low and give somebody else an opportunity to buy your coin that you just lost a lot of money at, and they gain a good entry point. So I hope that this video will help relax you and create a little bit of confidence in your outlook on the market. Again, my name is Corey Moore, aka Corey Stones. If you like what you've heard, if you like what you've seen, then pay attention to our YouTube channel, click subscribe. We'll be talking about crypto, investing, travel, mountain biking, snowboarding, the list goes on. So I hope that you'll stay around and check out some more content. Thank you.